Hey, it's Clive Johnson here. Just going to step through a bit of a use case. When you try and create some assets using Einstein Analytics, especially the different app templates, you sometimes get an error to say that the integration user doesn't have access to a particular object. A little bit of a quirky error message, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to solve that problem. So you need to go to Setup, so you need to have admin rights. So if you're not an admin, you need to get hold of somebody that is an admin. And you want to go to the user record, and we're going to look for the integration user permissions, the integration user profile. So if I look at my active user, and if I go to the integration user, so it's the Analytics Cloud Integration User profile is the area we want to go to. And we want to make sure that this particular profile has access to all the different objects that you want to play with. So areas such as account, opportunity, contact, lead, etc. So whatever you need to access, you want to make sure that this particular profile has access to it. So I click on the accounts area. Now this is a system that's already been set up correctly for my environment, so it'll be a little bit different in your environment. So you hit the edit button. Again, you must have admin rights here, or else you won't be able to do these little admin capabilities. And we see here we got access to the different record types. And you want to make sure that this particular profile has read access to all these different fields. And there are a number of plugins you can use. There's a Chrome plugin to actually auto tick. So there's a ticker thing, multi-check box, and then there's a Salesforce admin check all. So I'd recommend downloading one of those checkers, because you'd have to manually check every box. Now this only really applies if you've applied analytics on top of an existing environment. If you create a new environment with analytics pre-built and then add data, everything should work fine. So I've got to make sure I got access to all the fields on the account record. If I come back up and look at my objects, so I do accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, etc. So just think through the different objects that you're working with, and just make sure that profile, Analytics Cloud Integration User Profile, has read access to all the fields that you're going to want to be able to analyze. And this will make sure that everything will run through smoothly. So hope this helps. Any questions, feel free to come back to me. Again, the name is Clive Johnson. Thanks then, bye.